Good day, everyone, and welcome to the Cooking for Man YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be doing some honeydew melon. There's the list of ingredients you'll need for this recipe. This is a nice little recipe that we can do during the summer. Really easy to do. Nobody thinks about the honeydew melon until you do one. It's one of those recipes that's going to be sweet and salty. And that's a recipe that you can practice a few times. You know, it's easy to do, but from one time to the other, it'll never really taste the same. The taste is very relevant to whatever condition your honeydew melon is. If it's ready to go and really juicy, you'll have more juice, and obviously the other way around. So, ingredients. Half a cucumber is probably good enough. If you like cucumber, just put a bit more. The same thing with the lemon. You can add some more. For the honeydew melon, they're really easy to do. Take the spoon, remove the center of it, and then after that, we can use a very simple techniques to cut it in square using your knife. This is probably the fastest way and the less messy. So what I do is I throw a bunch of lines in there, vertical and horizontal, and once I got that done, I take my spoon and I kind of go and scrape in small sections so I can get all the piece pre-cut. So that's probably the fastest way to do it and the less messy. And then all you need to do is disregard whatever's not good to eat. So it takes a minute or two to get done, but once you get used to it, you're gonna see it's really, really, really fast. So when I'm doing this salad, really important to kind of play around with it. The taste will be extremely different, like I said before. A real light salad, obviously, I wouldn't use this as a meal, but I more or less use it with another meal. Probably good with fish, just because of its greens in it. Really good for your health, also very, very light. The lemon's always good for digesting. I put some feta cheese. The feta cheese, I don't want to leave it in small blocks. I kind of want it in smaller pieces, so I break it up even more. So when I'm mixing everything together, then the feta cheese goes right in it. Put some honey in it as you wish. A quarter cup is probably good enough. Same thing with the avocado oil. A quarter cup is probably good enough. Same thing again, recipe that you can play with every time. And tomato, if you really like tomato, play with the tomatoes. The rest I use Herbamare as my salty part. And for the salty part, just you play again. The best thing to do is put some in it, mix it around, taste it. Put some in it, mix it around, taste it. Really nice and easy salad. Really easy to do. You're gonna like it. You're gonna enjoy it. Start doing it every couple of weeks. Thanks a lot for watching the YouTube channel, and have a good one. Thanks.